Alright, YouTubers, I found the nut. Alright, when I got my magnet, I found it in a totally different spot than where I expected. This little sucker flew when it hit the ground. Anyways, let's get back started. Hopefully it'll only be a couple more minutes and we'll be done with this changing the clutch lever. Okay, so this is the old guy. With the nut, we're going to reuse the nut. But this is the old clutch lever. This is the new clutch lever that bends backwards. See, this is the old one. It doesn't bend backwards, it just bends this way. This one bends backwards, so it won't break. And it has a lifetime warranty, so if it does break, I guess they'll give me a replacement for free. Hopefully I'll never have to know that. Alright, all done. The only thing that I'm going to do is, like I said, I'm going to move the lever in a little bit so it's not parallel with the handlebars. So I'll move it, get a good view. So I'll move the lever, this guy, in towards the bike. Otherwise, we're pretty much done with this job. Like I said, I think this is one of the easiest things to repair and to do an upgrade, because this is what I'm doing. I made an upgrade over the stock original levers. So see that can bend backwards now. So if you crash, which if you're riding a dirt bike, you're going to crash. I mean, even on a regular street bike, if you push your limits, you will crash on a street bike as well. But definitely on a dirt bike. That's what they're for. They're for crashing. And then that's this guy. This is the brake, right? Same thing, bends backwards. So when you do crash, it doesn't break. You can keep riding. So that's why I got this guy. Looks nice. Looks nice. Reflex. Like I said, it took longer to get after I made the purchase. Not sure what the inventory issues were, but I was trying to stay within the US because I personally have found that the Chinese stuff is made so poorly and so cheaply. You pay a low price, but it's for a reason. You're also getting low quality. So I wanted an American product. So I think that this is an American product, and that's what my goal was. So I hope you learned a little bit of something. I did not bore you to death with too much talking, and hopefully you'll change your levers as well and not be intimidated by it. It's actually pretty straightforward. Later.